Hi guys, welcome to the channel. It's the first video I'm going to be uploading. It's basically just a test to make sure everything works, to make sure I'm actually competent enough to do this. So I thought I'd do a quick little video on basically just how to replace the batteries in my IR scope. It's the Hawke Vantage. It's a few years old now, but don't really fault it. It's really clear. I've no need to replace it anytime soon. I'll probably get another one for my next gun actually. But after about 3 years, I finally had to replace the batteries. It takes the Duracell 2032s. There are other brands available, but I've just found that these ones are good and they're the ones I always pick up. So what we're going to do here is, first things first, you've got your turret here for the IR, which switches from red to green and various different brightnesses. It's pretty handy. I have shot in low light before with this thing and it's fantastic. So first things first is you simply unscrew this cap here like that, and underneath is your battery. Try and remember what way it comes out. It always helps because sometimes they're not too informative on which way they go back in, but this one seems to be okay. Get our next one here, which is obviously not going to come out of the packet easy, which is typical. I'll have to admit it wasn't that easy from the start to get that outside screw off. I actually had to do a bit of jiggling because it hadn't been taken off in absolute years. So what I had to do was, you can see here that's textured. So essentially what I did is I got my flathead, I put the flathead into the grooves like that at an angle, and I basically not hit it but pushed it round until it eventually came loose, and then I was able to undo it with my fingers. So it might be a bit tough the first time you try and get it off, and I'm just going to try and get these batteries out and I'll be right back. Right, there we go. After days of struggling, sweat, blood and tears, I finally got it out of the packaging. Don't you just love vacuum packaging? Give this a like just for vacuum packaging. There you go. Just pop that in there. Screw it back in. And that is how you make a 2-minute job seem really difficult on YouTube. But that's about it. Right, that's it for today. She's all done, ready to go down the range. Look at that thing, it's quite beautiful, isn't it? Shame about that little scratch there, that's my fault. I love that stock. I know it's just an air gun, but who cares? You know what it's like in this country. And we'll see you next time for some more vids. I'll be doing some more shooting and stuff. This was mainly just a little test vid tutorial sort of thing, and to make sure I can use YouTube properly again. So hopefully we'll see you next time.